Okay, so Nature Box unboxing. I actually totally forgot about my Nature Box. I extended it to every 3 months because I was kind of getting overloaded with snacks, and then I did the 21-day fix, and none of this stuff is really 21-day fix approved. So I wanted to kind of take a little break, and I totally forgot until it withdrew from my bank account, and I was like, oh, I'm getting a Nature Box. So yeah, here it is. I'm kind of bummed that I didn't get to review my cart and see if there was anything new or anything that I'd prefer to have. So yeah, well, I'll do that for next month. On we go. Turn this down a little bit. All right, so first thing first, we've got a little flyer here that says Nature Box presents Summer Snacking Watermelon Stars. Sounds good. We'll check those out. Oh, I'm not gonna look at the packing slip, so it'll tell me what it is. Actually, I think maybe I'll just have it point at me and then I'll show you. We'll see. All right, so first thing first, PB&J granola. I don't know, sounds good. Do love granola, and who doesn't love a PB&J? All right, let's get in here. It's like pieces of chunks of strawberry. Just get a little. It's really good. Yeah, I like granola that's kind of crunchy. This is a little gooey, but tastes good. So that'll work. Next is Sea Salt Sun Crunch, sunflower and sesame seeded crackers. Oh, maybe I'll tell you the calorie count on these too. Oh gosh. For a half a cup, 240 calories. Oh my gosh. 15 grams of sugar, 7 grams of protein. Yikes. Well, very limited quantities I will be having this. Okay, so this is the sesame seeded crackers. This is for 14 pieces. 150 calories, only 1 gram of sugar. I'm diabetic, so I always look at the sugar first. So that's pretty good. Let's see what these guys taste like. Here's what they look like. Yeah. These aren't that great. Yeah. They're very bland. Alright. I'm over those. Oh, these are my favorite. I'm gonna wait for those for last. Okay. Yeah, those were really not good. They kind of taste like a rice cake with sesame oil. Yeah, weird. Alright, sourdough cheddar pretzels. Pretzel bites with cheddar cheese and a hint of beer. Interesting. All right, calories for 9 pieces, about 120 calories, 1 gram of sugar. So these are a good snack for me. And who doesn't like cheese? I love cheese and I love pretzels. So it's gotta be a good combination. All right, here's what they look like. They kind of have like a dusting on them. Weird. I totally get the hint of beer. That's strange. Very strange. Kind of oniony too. Weird. Good though. I like these. All right. These are Honey Crunch Crisps, honey coated sesame chips. Here we go with the sesame stuff again. We'll see. Maybe I'm just not in a sesame mood. I don't know. Hopefully these will be better. Oh, I didn't show you. These are alright. Yeah. Well, now I know definitely to kind of steer clear of the sesame stuff. All right, calories for this, for a quarter cup, 160 calories, 3 grams of sugar. Yeah, they're all right. I mean, even these other ones, I'll eat them, but they're just all right. And then these last, this last one is my absolute favorite, and I will probably have this in every Nature Box order because they're divine. And that is the Asiago and cheddar cheese crisps. And they are really good. This is what they look like. They're very light. And they're so good. Okay. Well, I'm gonna make myself a little snack and enjoy these. And I will see you guys later. Rate, comment, and subscribe below. Bye, guys.